Welcome to Acadmea. Your journey to exam success starts here. In this video, we'll walk you through the community section. From the sidebar menu, go to Community and click on Overview. Here, you can moderate forums, study groups, and overall user interactions. You also have quick actions for reviewing reports, moderating content, managing users, and viewing analytics. Additionally, you'll find some extra tools to help streamline your community management tasks. In the forum section, you can manage and moderate discussion threads. Next, in study groups, you can oversee and manage different groups as well as view their details. In chat moderation, you can monitor and control user conversations. Under user management, you can manage all community members. Finally, in reports and moderation, you'll find any reported content that needs review. That's how you can effectively manage the community in Academea. Transform your exam preparation with Academea.